So in today's video, I'm finally going to be sharing with you guys my childhood room tour. I've been here for about 3 months now since the start of quarantine. And normally when I've been here over summer, I haven't really made this place like my own again because my mom kind of took it over after I graduated from high school and went to college, because this was my sister and I's room growing up, and we changed it when I was a sophomore in high school. We painted it pink and kind of changed the style of it, and then when I went off to college, my mom kind of put her own spin on it, and this ended up becoming her like beauty room and her closet essentially. So her whole closet was full of her clothes, her makeup drawers, everything was hers. So when I came in 3 months ago, I was like, okay, since I'm gonna be here for a while, I kind of want to make it a little bit like my own, so we can kind of like share this space for now, and then that way when I go, she can easily transition into making it her own again with very like feminine and girly styles. So that's kind of like the theme for this room. It's definitely not near perfect at all. I feel like I would just share with you guys how it is so you guys can see it, since you guys have only really seen one area of my room. Kind of wanted to do a whole tour so you guys can get a better idea of what my room looks like and everything. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, when you first walk in, this is what the room looks like. This is the view. I just have some packages here, and then I was gonna move that one over here, but I forgot to. But yeah, so this is the view of the room when you walk in. So to the left here, I put my clothes that I have from college onto a rack over here, so that way I could actually have access to them and see everything, because like I said, my closet is full of my mom's clothes. So I try to color coordinate everything. I need to move that, but for the most part it's separated by colors. And then on the bottom I have my shoes. It's kind of getting a little unorganized, but yeah. And then on the top, my friend made me these pictures when I was in high school. So I hung these up, I think my junior year of high school, and they've been up here ever since. Actually my senior year, I think. But yeah, if you're interested, here are some pictures of me and my friends from high school that my mom's been wanting to like change this out and put something else to go with the room, but I don't know, I like having these. I'm very nostalgic of all of this, so I keep it up there. And then on this side, so like I said, me and my sister shared this room, so this is like my sister's side of the room of when she lived here. My sister's 3 years older than me, so this was from her quinceañera and her picture from there, and then her graduation cap, and then a couple of her items there. And then to the bottom of it, we need to get rid of this mirror. I'm pretty sure we're giving that to my sister, but this corner is literally just like whatever. So right here, this bear I got from my high school prom proposal. So my friend who asked me with this bear, so I've kept it. I have not been wanting to get rid of it, even though it takes up so much space, because I love it so much. I think it's so cute. So I've kept that there. And then behind it, I have a couple of our megaphones from cheer in high school, and then a camera that was a camera I used when I first started my channel that I had no idea how to use, so it was always out of focus, so never use that camera anymore. And then to the right of that, I have this little area with my Alex drawers. So again, literally random stuff in here. I'm telling you, this room isn't perfect, but I have this whole thing of perfumes that are my mom's. And then over here, these perfumes are mine. So my mom works in fragrance, so we do have a ton of perfumes. Another perfume thing, my hairbrush that I use daily. And then this is a humidifier. It's like saying air because it's out of water, so I need to refill that up with water. And then some random products that I have no idea where to put, because like I said, I don't have much space, because since I don't live here, I haven't really had anywhere to put things, so I have random stuff there. And then my makeup brushes. So I organized these drawers like a few weeks ago when I had time. So these are the drawers. So in this area, I have all of my foundations and concealers, and then here's all my blushes and my couple of highlights, and then some other random products, and then these are all my mascaras, and then these are all like highlighters and facial sprays, or like not highlighters, like primers and things. And then I have a couple of lashes and then a deodorant back there. But if you guys are interested in any of these like organization things for your makeup. I'll have it linked down below in my Amazon shop under organization. I love them and they've helped me so much. And then the second drawer, I have all of my lipsticks and things, and then I have some extra powders that didn't fit in these. So this is like blushes and bronzers, and then eyeliners, brow pencils, and then some eye stuff, and then some eyeliners. And then in the third drawer, we got all of my makeup palettes. Fourth drawer, all my skincare products. I have so much skincare. So the stuff that I use daily, I keep it underneath my sink. And then this stuff is all of my extra skincare products. And then the last drawer is just some random stuff. I have some hair products, some makeup bags, pictures from my dorm room and everything. So it's all random stuff. Here's literally such a mess. So on the bottom I have like my trash can. This is literally what I use for a tripod every single time I film a video. I use that and then set it on here and film. And then here is the vanity that I use. So I absolutely love this vanity. It's pretty huge if you see it for scale. Like from this point of view, this is what the vanity looks like. So that side, those Alex drawers are mine. The Alex drawers on this side are my mom's and all her makeup products. But this vanity was actually separate. So this was actually a table that was in my sister's college apartment when she went to school. This was literally her kitchen table, and when she didn't need any more, we ended up using it for a vanity. And then we got like the lights and then set it up here. And then there's just a ton of different random knickknacks on there. And then this chair, I have no idea where it's from, but it's really, really cute. I think it matches the theme well. The theme isn't my personal favorite, but it goes with the theme. So that's what that looks like. And then I have a ton of my chargers under there, so that's just not cute. But again, this is my mom's makeup, and then the rest of the stuff is like honestly mine. So these are all of my glasses, and then my blue light glasses. I normally keep my camera right here. Some more sample perfumes, my curling iron, my phone where I charge it, what I use to import footage, and then this I Can't Adult Today coaster, so when I bring drinks in here. I literally have this razor in here that I haven't even moved it to the bathroom yet, but that's from my dorm. And then this Moroccan shampoo that I have to put in my bathroom. But yeah, now this is the bed. I finally got a new comforter and everything about a month ago. Since I was here for a long time, I was like, I want all new stuff. So this was from Dormify. So were all of the decorative pillows are all from Dormify. And then this comforter is from Amazon. So I think this will be linked down below in my Amazon shop as well. But yeah, and then on top here is like my little section for separating our little room. So this is from my quinceañera, and then I have other things that are mine. So of course I have my couple of Taylor Swift CDs, and then my graduation cap and stuff. So I have that up there. And then over to the right, these are my drawers. Keep all my clothes in here, a lot of them. So yeah, this is just random decoration stuff that we had. I've had this little bear here since preschool. Her name's Ava. She was always my show and tell item that I brought. So my mom found her and put her there. But yeah, I have a couple of candles here. And then this is my planner that I use weekly. So anytime I need to write stuff down, it goes into my planner here. So, and then this drawer is just bras, underwear, and swimsuits. And then this is bottoms, which is not that organized, but at least they're folded. More bottoms and pajamas, I guess. And then a ton of t-shirts that I had in my dorm room. And then some extra space for pajamas, so. And then this is my mirror in front of my bed. So in here is just our closet with my mom's clothes and then a ton of other stuff. I have my suitcase in there too. It's kind of messy. Actually, let's just see real quick. Yeah, literally it's all black because that's all my mom wears for work. And then I have a couple of my suitcases down there. So that's pretty much what that looks like. Nothing special. So yeah, this is the mirror. I really like the slidey mirrors here. It's really nice. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And then over to the right, so here I just have my hamper that I brought from school. And then on here I have my handbag. So this is another clothing rack because I have a lot of clothes. So from this angle, that is what that looks like. My room's like a closet, which is fine by me. And then on the bottom, I have my shoes that I don't wear that often because these shoes are shoes that I wear a lot when I'm more at school, like heels and booties, which I'm literally wearing only slippers at this moment. But yeah, on this side, I have more purses and my keys and things. So yeah, this is my clothing rack, more clothes. This side had more of like my sweaters and things, and these are more of like the tops and dresses and, you know, those types of clothes. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then above it, I have my TV. Those wires literally drive me crazy, but we're gonna ignore them. But yeah, this is the TV I have in my room. I really wish it was that angled one because my bed is over here. It's kind of like hard to see. I wish it like angled out. But yeah, that's what my TV looks like. And then that's pretty much my room. Let me do another view. So you guys normally see this point of view because I put my camera like on my vanity here, and you guys see this view. So yeah, this is what it looks like from other points of view. That's my fan. It's actually like a closet. And that's the end of my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and getting to see my childhood room, because I've showed you guys like all my college rooms, like my dorm, my sorority house, my apartment, and I was like, you know, I haven't even showed them my childhood room. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!